Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Notion API with API keys, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Notion API with API keys, start by visiting the Notion developer's website. Log in to your Notion account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the My Integrations section. Click on the New Integration button to create a new integration. Fill in the required fields, such as the name of your integration and associated workspace. Make sure to set the integration's capabilities according to your needs. After filling in the necessary information, click the Submit button. You will receive an integration token or API key upon successful creation. Copy this integration token as you will need it for authentication. Now, open your preferred code editor or development environment. Install any required libraries, such as Axios or Fetch, for making API calls. Create a new file or script to write your authentication code. Import the necessary libraries at the beginning of your script. Set a constant for your integration token, ensuring it is secure. Use this token in the headers of your API requests. For example, create a headers object that includes the authorization key with the format bearer your _integration_ token. Now, make a test call to the Notion API, such as fetching a database. Check the response to ensure your authentication is working correctly. If you receive a valid response, congratulations, you've successfully authenticated with the Notion API. If you encounter errors, double-check your API key and request format. Make any necessary adjustments and try again. Once authenticated, you can now start building your applications using the Notion API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.